So Denver police are looking into this video showing motorcyclists speeding down I-25, twice the speed limit. This happened near I-25 and the I-70 interchange, and this was in the HOV lanes. Police say they were going so fast, if officers caught them in the act, they wouldn't have been able to catch them because they were going so fast to ticket them. But the video could help if police can track down the bikers. They could face several charges ranging from speeding to reckless driving.
And right now, there are about 30% more bikers on the road than during the rest of the year. And this is probably the biggest week of the year because the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is going on right now in South Dakota. And here to discuss is AAA insurance expert Skylar McKinley. Happy Tuesday. Thanks for joining us. So first of all, what can drivers do to look out for motorcyclists this time of year?
You know, it's not rocket scientist. Every time a driver hits a motorcyclist, we hear the same thing. I didn't see them.
Right.
Or they just came up out of nowhere. The most important thing you can do is be vigilant when you're driving, especially during Sturgis. That's as simple, by the way, as using your turn signal and letting other drivers and motorcyclists know what you're doing, but also taking extra time, taking 3 to 4 seconds to change lanes after putting that signal on, making sure to check your blind spot and to do so vigilantly to check for motorcyclists. The bottom line is if you've seen a motorcyclist anywhere along your route of travel, no matter if you think they're right behind you, the odds are pretty good that they're going to catch up to you or you might see another one. So just plan as if there's always motorcyclists on the road. Look for them, give them space, give them time, and just be careful.
So obviously, as drivers, we need to be vigilant. What can motorcyclists do to keep themselves safe on the road?
You know, this is a great example of what we just saw on that video. Speeding is the #1 thing motorcyclists can do to prevent an accident and to prevent a fatality, right? So if you're a motorcyclist, go the speed limit, go below it, because you need to assume drivers aren't going to see you. Beyond that, you want to make yourself visible by having headlights and taillights in working order, and take extra time when you're changing lanes to make sure you're seen. It's really on you because drivers just aren't conditioned yet to see motorcyclists.
Absolutely. And do you have any insurance tips for motorcyclists?
Colorado's a neat state for this, but because of our weather, nobody's really a motorcyclist year-round. So the odds are pretty good if you have a motorcycle here, you also are a driver. As a result, you can save a lot of money by bundling your insurance, but you have to talk to your agent who's going to walk you through that. The other thing, and this is key, is if you're a safe driver, you always save money. So keep these tips in mind, and typically your insurance will go down.
Your rates will be lower. All right, Skylar, thanks for joining us.